it's Gina with WTI. When we go camping, my husband doesn't want to sacrifice his morning routine with grinding and making a cup of coffee. That's one reason that we got this portable, rechargeable coffee grinder from Ludkim. So we recently took this with us while we were camping, and we were so pleased with how versatile it is and how well it works. Okay, so a little tip for you. It took me a minute to realize that there's actually 80 different grind settings on the bottom of this. So when you're setting it, you'll notice that the screw either goes up or down, and that is an indication of how fine or how coarse the grounds will be. This is so well made. You can tell right off the bat just by handling it. It's not flimsy, it has a nice heft to it, and it does have a stainless steel core. You'll notice that there's a little power protection button. You'll need to remove that in order to use it. This was absolutely perfect for a camping trip. We're so happy to have it. We think you will be too, and that's our point of view.